Morning children. Now today also we will continue our grammar. Textbook is already completed. બરાબર ટેક્સ્ટ આખી પૂરી થઈ ગઈ છે. So here today will be chapter 16, page number you see I have written. See, read the following sentences. Sneha walked briskly up the garden path. The Millennium Park is quite nice for outings. Richa sang rather melodiously at the party. In the above sentences, the words printed in bold. Bold એટલે dark ones, okay? And are adverbs because they modify and tell us something more about a word. An adjective or an adverb. That means a word which tells you more about a verb, adjective or adverb is okay here. They are called adverbs because they modify this. They tell you more about this. In sentences, the word briskly modifies the word walked. How did she walk? Briskly. In sentence B, the word quiet adds to the meaning of adjective nice. Then in C, the word rather adds to the meaning of adverb melodiously. So briskly, quiet, rather are adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now read the following sentences and underline the adverbs. Here I have underlined for you, you will also underline, okay? The kinds of adverbs. Now manner of affirmation, negation, exclamatory, interrogative, relative, frequency, degree, time, place. Okay? This you should know. Kinds of adverbs. Page number 126. Fortunately, he was not punished by the teacher. Luckily, she escaped from the raging fire. Now, adverbs of manner. These are samajho barabar, okay? Adverbs of manner tell us how or in what manner an action is done. It answers the question how. The acrobat jumped carefully. How did the acrobat jump? Carefully. Rohan carved the piece of wood skillfully. How did Rohan carve the piece of wood? Skillfully. Here, carefully and skillfully are adverbs of manner. They give us information about the way an action is done or completed. Action કેવી રીતે કરો છો? How you complete it? That is manner. For more examples are the players practiced sincerely, Neha was walking leisurely, the mason worked hard and was able to finish his work as per instructions. An adverb of manner is usually placed after the verb. If a sentence is a direct object, then it is placed after it. The stream flowed rapidly. The chef sliced the cucumber carefully. If there is an auxiliary verb, helping verb like is, was, were, in the sentence, the adverb can be placed between the main verb and the auxiliary verb. Here, see. Is driving. Is carefully driving. Was watching. Was excitedly watching. Okay? Now, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where or at what place an action took place. An adverb of place answers the question where. The teacher looked for Meena everywhere. They were going out. Where were they going? Out. Now, in sentence A, the adverb of place comes immediately after the verb lives. In sentence B, the adverb of place somewhere comes after the object heard. Other adverbs of place are inside, outside, there, nowhere, anywhere, upstairs, downstairs, away, in, out, and so on. Adverbs of place sometimes express movements like homewards, northwards, inwards, sideways, and so on. Adverbs of place like behind, around, across, along also act as prepositions. Now see, here I have circled for you. They are telling us circle the adverbs and answers here I have written. This also I have filled for you. And now adverbs of time. It will show you time. Adverbs of time indicate the time of action and answer the question when. The conference began early. When did the conference begin? Early. She will come tomorrow. When will she come? Tomorrow. Here early and tomorrow are adverbs of time. Some other adverbs of time are yesterday, today, later, afterwards, recently, nowadays, late, soon, till. You have to read yourselves, children. You are not babies now. We must avade. Yeah. Sometimes a group of words also do the work of adverbs and are called adverb phrases. She replied at once. Phrase. They have not reached till now. Till now. Okay. The meeting is postponed till tomorrow. So here at once, till now and till tomorrow are adverb phrases of time. Other adverb phrases are by now and till today. Adverbs of time are placed either in the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Recently I spoke to her. E.B. right. When I spoke to her recently, that is also correct. Sometimes adverbs of time can be used in the middle after the first auxiliary verb. He will soon be given a trophy. She will now be called to the office. Page 128. Yeah. Now see children, you don't have to write too much. I will explain you. Page number 128 is our last page for today. Then I will give you next video. Okay. This is video 1. So just open your page 128. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree indicate the intensity of action and answer the question how much. They are placed before the adjective or adverbs. The story was very scary. She is quite fast in calculating sums. The couple sings very sweetly. In sentence A, the adverb of degree very modifies the adjective scary. Scary at a big lage, very scary. In sentence B, the adverb of degree quiet modifies the word fast. Whereas in sentence C, the adverb of degree very modifies the adverb sweetly. So adverbs of degree may modify a word, adjective or another adverb. Other adverbs of degree are enough, fairly, almost, extremely, nearly, only, to and hardly. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action takes place and answer the question how often. How often? Get why. They are usually placed before the main verb or after the helping verb. He rarely visits the museum. Rita often helps her mother in the garden. Sneha is occasionally late for college. Other adverbs of frequency are sometimes, every time, seldom, usually, once a month. Now relative adverbs. They are words like where, when and why and so on. They modify. Modify means they tell you more about, okay? A word and refer back to a thing or person that the pronoun refers to. They function as adverbs and as conjunctions also. I cannot find the house where my aunt lived earlier. She cannot recollect when she booked the gas refill. They come here whenever they are free. Okay, here see. In the above sentences, where, when and whenever are relative adverbs. This I have filled for you children. So our video 1 is completed and video 2 I will give you in my next session. Okay. Bye everybody.